Hey, it's Dr. Mo here from Chiropractic Care Center from Fairfax. We have Jessica. Jessica is a teacher, and also she works out a lot, as you could tell her guns. So Jessica, I'm going to go ahead and adjust Jessica. She has a mild scoliosis, so we've been working on the scoliosis. We've been adjusting her for how long now? A couple of years?
For about a year.
So for about a year. Every so often she comes in with all the stress from the kiddies and all the workouts, so we'll put her back together. Go ahead and go face down for me, Jessica. So because she has a scoliosis, we don't adjust her facing down. We'll adjust her mid-back differently here. Let's have this side up for me, Jessica. Deep breath for me. Oh, yeah. Same thing other side. Deep breath. Oh. Nice. Let's go face up for me. School's almost done, right?
Yep.
For you, it's Thursday too?
Next Friday.
Oh, Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Right. All right, last part. Now give yourself, yeah, there you go. You got it. Deep breath. Nice. Let's go face down and just check that lower back. All right. So yeah. So if you're a teacher and you got pains, come on in. We could get you better. Take care.